A Bluetooth keyboard and mouse that looks great, feels nice, and pairs with 3 devices. Sounds perfect, right? Well, almost. Welcome to our review of the Logitech Pop Icon Combo. Inside the box, you get the keyboard and mouse, a protective cover for each, which I might reuse. And yes, batteries are included. But here's what's missing: a USB wireless adapter. I'll talk about that later. Weighing just 609 grams, this portable keyboard and mouse combo is easy to carry. The keyboard weighs 526 grams and the mouse is 83 grams. Would I carry this in my backpack? Yep, easily. I've been using a MacBook M3 Pro 16-inch for months, and this Logitech keyboard typing experience is surprisingly good. Key travel, more than a MacBook, but not too much. The best part? The arrow keys are full-sized. Unlike other compact keyboards that squeeze them in, this one keeps them comfortable. Also, the keyboard has a fixed typing angle, no adjustable feet here. While it provides a comfortable incline for casual typing, those who prefer a more adjustable ergonomic setup might find it limiting. You can pair up to 3 Bluetooth devices, and I tested it on Android, macOS, and Windows. It works flawlessly. But my MacBook has Bluetooth restrictions because it's from my office. Still, I can connect peripherals using USB. I bought the Logi Bolt receiver. This receiver can connect up to 6 Logitech devices at once. On Logitech's official website, it's for $14.99, but I got mine on AliExpress for $8.35, including shipping. The Logitech Pop mouse is small but comfortable, even for my large hands. However, switching devices isn't perfect. The button is underneath the mouse, so you have to flip it every time. And when I try turning it off, I accidentally click the left button each time. One small issue: when my Mac Mini M4 starts, the mouse connects instantly, but the keyboard takes a few seconds to become active, usually after I press a key. Also, if you'd like to know my review on the Mac Mini M4, click the link shown above. The Logi Plus Options software offers extensive customization, allowing you to remap multiple keys on the keyboard and 2 buttons on the mouse. It's perfect for setting up shortcuts like launching Spotlight instantly. I've even configured the ring button on my mouse to trigger Spotlight using Command plus Space with a single click, and it works seamlessly. You can also assign app-specific actions such as opening or switching to Apple Notes. However, I have noticed that Safari doesn't always respond to these shortcuts, which can be a bit frustrating. You can grab this combo for $70, or if you prefer, the keyboard is for $50 and the mouse, which is currently on discount, is for $20. Alright, let's wrap this up. If you are looking for a compact and stylish keyboard mouse combo under $70, then this is a solid choice. I have tested this on Android, macOS, and Windows, and it works seamlessly. Typing feels nice and the mouse is silent and comfortable. Multi-device pairing works well, and if Bluetooth is not an option, then the Logi Bolt receiver is a good alternative. At 609 grams, it's lightweight and compact, making it highly portable. Long battery life means you won't be replacing batteries often. But it's not perfect. No backlighting on the keyboard, so if you work in dim lightings, then keep that in mind. The typing angle is fixed with no adjustable feet for ergonomic changes. For the mouse, the device switch button is at the bottom, which makes device switching a bit awkward. For casual use and light work, this combo is great, but if you need adjustable ergonomics and backlighting, then you may want to look elsewhere. If you found this review helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe. We are a new channel and your support really helps us grow.